Very kind to me. They supported me all through my preparation. Especially my father, he was advised after my encouragement because he was in civil service. He always wanted me to don't be an engineer, become a civil servant. Okay. And also my friends over in there in Bangalore, they also supported me. There was a special friend of mine who is Amit Kataria. He like supported me a lot. He helped me to the preparation a lot. Okay.
मैं आपने कहा कि आपके पापा काफी आपको सपोर्ट करते थे, आपकी मदर एंड योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो। तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी कि घर में कैसा एटमोस्फेयर था बचपन से ही आपका?
My mom was very strict in studies. Oh, you always believed that I should be a...
सारे मॉम स्ट्रिक्ट ही होते हैं।
She was not only strict for me to get good marks, she always wanted me to be a good knowledgeable person. From my very childhood, I started reading good novels. I started to write. I used to listen to Navina Sangeet Bhupen Hazarika because she was a Bengali lady. Previously, I used to get bored, but now I realize what the importance of reading. So yeah, my mom has given me the culture from very childhood. Okay. And my father has supported me financially.
Okay. And you have just said that you have been a voracious reader. I've read lot many books. Do you think that to get into the civil services, this quality, becoming a voracious reader, is a must? Do you think that?
Yes. This is actually an added advantage. You should have. You cannot become a civil servant just by preparing for it like a without getting good marks. It's not only about smart work. You need a lot of hard work for civil service.
Exactly. एक और चीज पूछनी थी, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी हैं, कुछ लोग सिविल सर्विस में भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं। जैसे हम लोग तो डर जाते हैं कि सिविल सर्विसेज मतलब बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, सुपर इंटेलिजेंट होना पड़ेगा। मतलब देयर आर पीपल हु से कि सिविल सर्विसेज के लिए यू नीड अ टेक्निक टू स्टडी, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस होने चाहिए, परसिवियरेंस, पेशेंस की बहुत जरूरत होती है। आपको क्या
सबसे बड़ा चीज स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन होनी चाहिए। You need to have a great motivation for the study because people generally give sometimes they give for 3 years, 4 years of their life. But then you get into frustration or somewhere. So you need to have a great motivation to serve the society. Any motivation that have to be there behind you. And yeah, obviously you need to work hard. And it's nothing like that only intelligent people can. I have never done STEM. I have never done STEM. I'm average student, but yeah, I used to read books. I never followed guidebooks. I never mothered anything. Whatever I studied it analytically.
ओके, बट फिर मैं आपसे एक बात पूछना चाहूँगी। आपकी एक फ्रेंड, मेरी भी काफ़ी खास फ्रेंड है, तो शी टोल्ड मी शी वाज विथ यू इन मोदी इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ती थी, शी वाज फ्रॉम हियर ओनली। तो मुझे बोलती है कि फॉर्मूला बहुत पढ़ती है रात को। सो ये मंत्रा है जो आप रात को, क्योंकि जब मैं उसे पूछती थी कि तुम इंजीनियरिंग कर रही हो यार, इतना पढ़ती हो एंड ऑल, देन तुम्हारे बारे में पूछती थी बिकॉज वो तुम्हारे बारे में बोलती थी, शी इज वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ योर। तो वो बोलते थे ना फॉर्मूला में बहुत पढ़ती है, रात रात में पढ़ती है। सो यही सीक्रेट था एग्जाम
better. You asked me about Korea, I suppose. Yeah, she knows me better, but I think she must have said मैं सुबह को करती हूँ, रात को नहीं. I'm a morning person. I'm a very much morning person. My after time is all the time for my friends. I go out, I do gym, I do movies. It's like after time I always do Veera Bhanti. The morning time is my time actually.
Okay. तो आप सुबह को बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ती हैं। She was right, मेरी मसले थे वही ना।
I invested it well.
हम भी वो कहती थी मतलब सुबह उठ के पढ़ने से मतलब मन भी खुला रहता है, योर माइंड इज ओपन, शायद सुबह का एनवायरनमेंट भी फ्रेश होता है, तो पढ़ाई घुसती है अंदर
person ऐसा।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, लेकिन मुझसे तो कभी उठा जाता नहीं, सुबह मैं पढ़ नहीं पाती थी सुबह बिल्कुल। अच्छा, एक और बात, लाइक यू टॉक्ड अबाउट परसिवियरेंस, यू नीड टू बी पेशेंट, लाइक इवन इफ यू फेल यू शुडंट गिव अप। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो एक बार दो बार अटेम्प्ट के बाद दे जस्ट गिव अप कि नहीं होगा मुझसे। सो हाउ डू यू थिंक शुड वन कोप विद द फेलियर?
Failure is a pillar of success. This is a very well saying. And obviously, when you fail, you should understand from the failure and try to work hard upon it. There should exactly the word junoon should come to you. Why I fail? Why that I cannot succeed? There's nothing like that. Anything. People are going to Mount Everest. Come on, I will be better than this. So obviously, I think that if you fail, you should wake up the next morning, take a deep breath, and start preparing for your dream because it's never too late.
Exactly.
हाँ,
जरूर जाओ। और कोचिंग क्लासेस के बारे में आपने कहीं कोचिंग क्लास वगैरह कुछ लिया?
मैंने डिस्टेंस प्रोग्राम लिया था फॉर मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज because when I was also in my job, so it was not possible for me to attend classes. For coaching center, I have my personal opinion that you can take a coaching center and just learn about the process, but don't depend upon it because they are doing a business and your preparation is not a business.
Exactly, that's true. और जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी एक काफी मैसेज होगा कि हम उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट ना हो, लेकिन एक सपोर्ट है। एग्जैक्टली। तो आपसे ये जानना चाहिए कितने घंटे आप पढ़ती थी, प्रिपरेशन कैसा था, क्योंकि आप जॉब में भी थी जैसे
6 hours of daily में देती थी. Sometimes it happened that I could not do 6 hours. I try to make it up in the next day. I just have to have a timeline. I'm a great time manager. I have to tell myself about that. Yeah, I'm a great time manager. I used to have my deadline and I used to follow them because I used to work in a private company. So following deadline is a habit.
क्योंकि प्राइवेट सेक्टर में डेडलाइन होता है। तो मैं आपसे टाइम मैनेजमेंट की आपने कहा तो मैं कुछ टिप्स आपसे जरूर लेना चाहूँगी क्योंकि हमारे अपकमिंग जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे उनके लिए डेफिनेटली एक सपोर्ट होगा।
Time management is like, I'm not saying that don't cut off anything from your life. You should enjoy also, you should study also, and you should have your friend circle also, but that should have a proper timing for it. If you are a morning person, invest well in your morning time. And if you are a night person, invest well in your night time. And I think that you should not make your list too vast. There should be a list about the things that you want to do. You should prioritize that thing, and accordingly you should do that thing. And now we have a smartphone, we can always utilize our things like this.
Exactly. अच्छा आपने कुछ पढ़ाई के वक्त स्ट्रैटेजी फॉलो किया था कि हाँ यू नो कि ऐसे ऐसे पोर्शंस को आई स्किप अ सर्टेन पोर्शन आई इंक्लूड अ सर्टेन पोर्शन जो मुझे आता है मैं उसको अच्छी तरह पढ़ूंगी एंड द रेस्ट आई स्किप या फिर पहले प्रीलिम्स के लिए ट्राई यू नो आई स्टडी फॉर द प्रीलिम्स एंड देन फॉर द मेंस कैसे स्ट्रैटेजीज कुछ पर्टिकुलर फॉलो
एवरी एग्जाम इज अ स्ट्रैटेजी और मेरी एक एटीट्यूड था बचपन से मैंने स्किप एनीथिंग इंजीनियरिंग में या sometimes I didn't used to get good marks. The main problem is I used to study everything. I used to never leave anything. But I have the mentality that even if it's 1 hour before exam, I know that will never come to my exam. But I never study for exam. I study for my knowledge. And when I was preparing, there were a lot of people who asked me that if you don't get through, what will you do? What will you do after that? And I just said कि मुझे सीधी मिले ना नाम मिले, रिद्धि तो मिलेगी, गोल मिले ना नाम मिले, नॉलेज तो मिलेगी. So obviously I used to like there's a strategy that when I from Jan 3rd actually I started studying from prelims. Then after prelims I get a before prelims itself from January I started a overall review of my optional subject that what option I should take and how can I cope up. Then I realized that sociology I can cope up in 2 months and public admin was dear to my heart. It's a very good subject. So then after 4 months after prelims 4 months I invested a lot of time preparing my optional. I didn't give enough time to GS because I invested more time in GS from prelims. Then after the mains, when I was preparing for mains, I was not worried about it. I thought, obviously, when the interview come, I will prepare myself. So interview I get for I think days.
अच्छा तो सब्जेक्टिव जो मेंस में जो सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस होते हैं डू यू थिंक बहुत डिफिकल्ट होते हैं मतलब यू नीड टू गो थ्रू दोस कॉम्पिटिटिव बुक्स जो अवेलेबल होते हैं मार्केट में वो सब अप टू डेट रहने के लिए वो सब पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी होता है
जो कॉम्पिटिटिव गाइड बुक्स है वो तो मैं कभी आई डू नॉट सजेस्ट कि यू शुड गो थ्रू द गाइड बुक्स या यू शुड रीड द स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स एंड मेंस के लिए मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज यू शुड बी एनालिटिकल बिकॉज यूपीएससी नेवर आस्क्स यू क्वेश्चन लाइक डिग्री actually they generally ask a very analytical opinion based question. Your opinion should be politically neutral, socially committed opinion. So obviously you should read standard books and form a viewpoint of yours in every sphere of it. You should know your country from top to bottom.
Exactly, that's true. तो फर्दर अगर और भी कुछ आपसे जानना चाहूँगी जब आप प्रिपेयर कर रही थी सभी कुछ ना कुछ सजेशंस देते हैं ऐसा करो ये करो वो करो यहाँ मत जाओ ये मत करो तो आप क्रिटिसिजम्स को या फिर सजेशंस को किस तरह से लेंगी
मैं सुनती नहीं थी actually I have a habit of not listening. I do what I want to do actually. I have a bad habit of strong-headed person. Yeah. My obviously my parents and everybody. Even you talk about my friend. Whenever she used to call me from office, she used to find a sleepy voice and say, "कि क्यों पढ़ने क्यों नहीं रही है? Exactly, where are you studying?" So मैं उसको बोल देती it's my problem. So obviously I took my own time. I take all my decision independently. That's why I've taken a job first, then prepared for civil service, and I have done everything by taking my own decision.
You know, आपको सुन के ऐसा लगता है you have been very sorted out with your life. You have planned everything. अपनी जगह पे
Exactly. It looks like that. It's nothing. Nobody is sorted out in their life. Everybody has a lot of problems in their life and a lot of chaos in their life. Even I do have. But yeah, UPSC actually teaches you to be a bit more disciplined.
Exactly. अच्छा आपने इंटरव्यू की बात जब की और मुझे तो वही लगता है कि इंटरव्यू मस्ट बी द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट इतने सारे लोग सामने बैठे होंगे एंड देन दे विल बी थ्रोइंग यू क्वेश्चंस कितना टफ कैसा था इंटरव्यू आपके लिए, कितना डिफिकल्ट?
मुझे तो सबसे ज़्यादा मेंस टफ लगता है बिकॉज मेंस नीड अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस. इंटरव्यू इज अ वेरी कोरियल प्रोसेस. पहले आई थिंक इट वॉज अ प्रीवियस प्रोसेस कि ऐसे आपको अनकंफर्टेबल किया जाता था, बट नाउ देयर पीपल आर वेरी कोरियल. दे मेक यू फील ग्रेट एंड दे विल टॉक टू यू अबाउट योर ओन फील, अबाउट योर ओन सीवी, अबाउट योर ओन स्टेट. सो यू गेट कंफर्टेबल विद इट. दे आर वेरी नाइस पीपल.
ओके, ये डर लोग के दिमाग में नहीं होना चाहिए, स्पेशली सभी जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं दिमाग में कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं पूछा जाता जिससे ना एटमॉस्फेयर को थोड़ा सा टेंस कर दिया जाए.
Kind of, they try to sometimes poke you up, but you have to maintain your calm. This is what the parents are doing. Exactly, you have to maintain your calm.
तो अभी थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई से बाहर निकलने कुछ बातें मैं पूछना चाहूँगी. सो आपको क्या लगता है एजुकेशन सिस्टम ऑफ इंडिया?
Okay, education system of India, the highest education system, yeah, there's a lack of infrastructure, you can say. But I do not want to talk about the higher education. It's the primary education that matters the most. I think that if our foundation is great, the higher education will be great. We have good institute, and there will be a number of good institutes will be coming up. But a lot of investment and a lot of more care is needed for primary education. Our government is doing a lot of good work, like with midday meal scheme and all. I think first schemes are good, but implementation is weak. I think more implementation parts should be more strong for.
ये बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि ऊपर में जाकर इम्पोर्टेंट जगह से बेटर है कि हम रूट्स में बेसलाइन में एजुकेशन
Foundation is more important.
एग्जैक्टली तुम बोल सकती हो. नहीं, एजुकेशन के बारे में तो खैर पूछ लिया. यार तुम्हें अभी तुम्हारे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर कुछ डिसाइड तुमको तुम्हें पढ़ना वढ़ना बहुत पसंद है, तो उसके अलावा तुमको रिलैक्सेशन टाइम में वो सब क्या करना पसंद है?
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नाटक वगैरह करती हूँ. I have done a place in local natak. We have been you must know because in Modi there is a NGO called Karuna. I was the founder general secretary, and one of my friends, she was the president. We founded a school, and we used to take 60 students from Lakshmangarh village. We used to go to the village, make them understand that if we can be engineers, why can your doctors? So we used to encourage them, make a good curriculum for them, take up volunteers from the college system, and we used to give them proper education. At least what they will learn is solid, even in mathematics or English. So I have been associated with many NGOs, and even now I'm working with a think tank. I have done many Nukkad Nataks, I also dance. A lot of things that I still learning Gandhi. For my preparation, I was learning Zumba. And after my meetings, I learned martial art beginner course. So I've been into a lot of ऐसे कुछ कहना पसंद है. Yes, I've done a lot of things.
Wow, ऐसा आपको सुन के लगता है you have been into social activities and so many stuff. So IAS now that you have cleared the civil services, क्या करने का इरादा है? मतलब कुछ तो दिमाग में होगा कि I want to do this thing for the society. एक कुछ तो होगा क्या? इसलिए क्या करना चाहते हैं?
First of all, thing that when you become an NGO leader, the main problem what you face is that you don't have resources. You cannot do development in your state because you don't have resources. As civil servant, the added advantage is you get resources from the government. So when I become a civil servant, I will do the efficient management of the resources. So I could do something better for the society. And my vision is that I'm still working on it. I'm starting my work on it. It's like Make India Open defecation. I do not like to see that somebody is going there and defecating in the open. Then our country wants to be a superpower. We should not have that.
अच्छा फरदीना, एक और बात है. I don't know how would some people take this question, but बात यह है कि IAS ऑफिसर का एक ओहदा होता है, एक इमेज होता है. But you have done street plays, you have said. Do you think an IAS officer can come out to the street and organize a street play and participate in that street play? क्या हो सकता है ऐसा कुछ?
Obviously, yeah, you are right. The IAS officers, generally they have the colonial Mardab feeling or that feeling that comes into them. But you can see in most of the videos, you can see in YouTube, they generally do a lot of dramas, debates, and yeah, they do.
Because yeah, they should be with the masses only. They should show
They are officers. Listen, well, we are public service, so we need to associate with the masses. Our work is to associate with the masses, and I think my hobby is very much to communicate with the masses. It will help me in my future.
Okay. So अभी थोड़ा सा और complicated questions सब पूछना चाहूँगी जो मेरे अंदर है. So first, according to you, women's status in India.
Okay. Women's status in India can be divided into three parts: North India, South India, and Eastern India. Eastern India, including Assam and West Bengal. I want to say that in Western India and Southern India, women are in a much better position than Northern India. We can get to hear about female infanticide, child marriage, the dowry problem more in the North India than our own state Assam. Because in Assam, you can say that women upliftment has started from the Shankardev days. So obviously we are in a better position. The caste system is not as big here. We do not have the problem of child marriage here. Obviously we are in a better position. We get more facilities over in Assam, in South India than in North India. So the scenario is more bad in North India.
So क्या कर सकते हैं इस चीज को लेकर? How to get rid of all the atrocities and all the crimes that is made on women? Because education, even education is not helping. जितने सारे crimes हो रहे हैं, you go out and find out there are young educated guys involved.
Yes, obviously education is not only the thing that you can get out all the crimes. Moral education is the most important. And the thing that moral education can only begin in your own home. Because when a daughter and a son is born, there should not be any discrimination. You can find discrimination to a woman from the very day the woman comes in the womb of the mom. Nowadays, if you find out that if there is a daughter, you need to take an abortion. So there should not be such thing. Your attitude should be, their equal attitude should be there from the very first of when a daughter comes in your womb. You should have the mentality, yeah, I will give the same facility to my daughter as to my son.
Exactly, बिल्कुल awareness present होनी चाहिए. फर्जीना फाइनली एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन जैसे हम लोग पूछना चाहते हैं छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं ऑफकोर्स सबको जानने का मन होगा मुझे भी. सो शादी के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
ये तो सबसे बड़ा स्पेशलाइजिंग टॉपिक है एक साल से. So obviously everybody used to get married someday. Even I do. I'm also waiting for the right man of my life. Yeah, hope so.
controversial topic in घर में especially for the लड़कियों के.
Obviously, it comes to everybody's life. I think yeah, it's the right age to get married. So obviously, I'm waiting for my right man.
And finally, since you are a role model now for all experience, those who aspire to become a civil servant.
Role model is a big deal. No, you are. We are role model.
But yeah, you are really. But आप उन सबको क्या बोलना चाहिए?
I just want to say one thing that I have said many times in my many interviews, that you should have the strong determination, right motive and hard work. Then you said that অখাদ্য খাদ্য কৰিব পাৰি. এইটো কোনো কথা নাই.
Exactly, that's true. And thank you so much. I'm यहाँ पे आने के लिए all the best for your future. And thank you so much.